Welcome to the reading of the book, My Friends Ziggy and Ronnie Know Life Science. This is book 1 in a series of 4 life science books available on Amazon and Teacher Pay Teacher. My friends Ziggy and Ronnie know that A is for ant. Ants are social insects. Most ants can sting and bite. What are the types of ants in the area where you live? How are ants helpful? My friends Ziggy and Ronnie know that B is for bees. They make sweet honey. Bees communicate with each other by dancing. What are the types of bees in the area where you live? Why do we need bees in the world? My friends Ziggy and Ronnie know that C is for caterpillar. A caterpillar has 12 eyes. It can turn into a butterfly or moth depending on the species. What are the types of caterpillars in the area where you live? Why do we need caterpillars in the world? My friends Ziggy and Ronnie know that D is for desert. It is hot during the day. About 1/3 of the earth is covered in deserts. What makes deserts special places? How do animals adapt to life in the desert? My friends Ziggy and Ronnie know that E is for egg. Eggs protect babies as they develop. The yolk in eggs gives the developing baby energy. What are the types of eggs in the area where you live? Why are eggs important to life on Earth? My friends Ziggy and Ronnie know that F is for fish. Fish are cold-blooded animals. They have gills to help them breathe in the water. What are the types of fish in the area where you live? What makes fish different from other animals found on Earth? My friends Ziggy and Ronnie know that G is for goose. They are related to ducks and swans. Some people raise geese for their eggs and for food. What are the types of birds in the area where you live? What makes birds different from other animals? My friends Ziggy and Ronnie know that H is for hawk. A hunting bird that eats birds, squirrels, snakes, and rodents. They can fly very fast. What are the types of hawks in the area where you live? What makes hawks different from other birds you know? My friends Ziggy and Ronnie know that I is for insect. It has 6 legs and 3 body parts. Most insects hatch from eggs. Spiders are not insects. What are the types of insects in the area where you live? What makes insects different from other animals? My friends Ziggy and Ronnie know that J is for jellyfish. They have tentacles for getting food. They can be found in 4 oceans. What are the types of jellyfish in the area where you live? What makes jellyfish different from other sea animals? My friends Ziggy and Ronnie know that K is for kangaroo. They have pouches for their babies. They can jump high, but cannot walk backwards. What are the different types of kangaroos? What do kangaroos need to survive? My friends Ziggy and Ronnie know that L is for lobster. It is related to crabs and prawns. They are scavengers. What are the types of lobsters in the area where you live? Why do we need lobsters on Earth? My friends Ziggy and Ronnie know that M is for monkey. They climb trees in the forest. Most monkeys have tails that help them move in trees. What are some types of monkeys that you know about? Why do we need monkeys on the Earth? My friends Ziggy and Ronnie know that N is for nest. It is a safe house for baby birds. Some birds lay eggs directly on the ground. What are 3 types of nests found in the area where you live? What makes bird nests different from other animal nests? My friends Ziggy and Ronnie know that O is for owl. A nocturnal bird of prey that feeds on rodents, insects, and small mammals. Some eat fish. What are 3 types of owls in the area where you live? What makes owls different from other birds in your area? My friends Ziggy and Ronnie know that P is for parrot. A colorful bird that can talk. They have curved beaks. They all have 4 toes on each foot. What are the types of birds near the area where you live? What makes parrots different from other birds? My friends Ziggy and Ronnie know that Q is for quartz. It is a 6-sided crystal rock. It can be used to make glass and camera lenses. What are the 3 types of quartz found in the area where you live? What makes quartz different from other minerals? My friends Ziggy and Ronnie know that R is for roots. The part of a plant or tree under the ground. They give plants and trees water and support. What are the 3 types of roots found in the area where you live? Why would plants have different types of roots? My friends Ziggy and Ronnie know that S is for skin. The outer protection for animals. It protects the internal organs from external diseases. What are some different types of skin that animals have? Why do animals have different types of skin? My friends Ziggy and Ronnie know that T is for tadpole. It is a baby frog or toad that lives in water until it develops legs and lungs to move on land. What are the types of tadpoles found in the area where you live? Why are tadpoles important to life here on Earth? My friends Ziggy and Ronnie know that U is for urchin. Sea urchins are small marine animals that are covered with sharp spines or cilia. These marine animals like to live on or around coral reefs. What are the types of sea urchins in the area where you live? How are sea urchins important to life in the ocean? My friends Ziggy and Ronnie know that V is for viper. It is a poisonous snake that injects venom using two fangs. Vipers have a triangular head. What are the types of vipers found in the area where you live? What makes vipers different from other snakes? My friends Ziggy and Ronnie know that W is for whale. It is the largest mammal in the world. It lives in the ocean and must breathe air like humans do. What are the types of whales in the area where you live? What makes whales different from other sea animals? My friends Ziggy and Ronnie know that X is for X-ray. Light used to spot broken bones. It is a form of light energy made up of small waves. What are the helpful ways that X-rays are used where you live? What are some of the reasons that people need X-rays? My friends Ziggy and Ronnie know that Y is for yeast. It is made up of fungi. Fungi are used to help make bread, wine, and beer. What is yeast and why is it important? What are some of the ways that yeast is used? My friends Ziggy and Ronnie know that Z is for zebra. It looks like a horse with stripes. Zebras can run up to 65 miles per hour to avoid lions. What are the different types of zebras you know about? How are zebras different from horses? My friends Ziggy and Ronnie now know a lot more about science. Now, you do too. Look out for more books in the series from Amazon.com. Links will be provided in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video.